clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures, light the way.
What's up, everybody? How are you? Wow, what a day. Hey, Denny, what's up, brother? Can you hear me?
Yeah, my bad. How are you tonight, Steven?
I'm doing well, thank you. Doing well. S&P's just rallied 40 here. NASDAQ up 280. Apple up 8. Microsoft, Amazon up almost 9% after hours. Unbelievable. Just when you think they're going to get really kabooshed, what do? They rally. Go figure. Anyway, gold bounced about 130, 40 points off the lows. I got some big buy reversals today on the GLDs on the 30 and 60-minute time frame. Really great patterns. I think tomorrow, gold on any pullback, you got to buy them on pullbacks here. So, yeah, it's very, very nice day. Nice day here. Great patterns in Microsoft. Great patterns in NVIDIA. Big patterns on the 30 and 60-minute time frames on the underlying ETFs. Really great pattern here on the S&Ps. right after the announcement of the earnings, you can see here really great pattern here off the 15-minute time frame. Really deep oversold into the positive MACDs here. Look at this, 88, boom. Look at that, up 11. Great pattern. So how are you, Denny? How'd you do today?
I made $700 on one of my accounts, so I'm pretty happy for today. Didn't take no loss, so it's always a good day to me.
There you go. We got to get this. We got to get a lot of viewers here, Denny. The one thing that I just don't understand. It's a free night, and we got to get more people here watching. We had almost close to 500 last night, but look at this gold just got kabooshed. Oh my God, gold just dropped 10 right before you come on. Great pattern. So yeah, a lot of people signing up for MyFundedFutures. And by the way, year to date, since we've been doing this, I think MyFundedFutures has given out over 685. I've given out, I think, 240 free 7-day passes. The people who joined the 7-day passes, they can't believe the way they're making money, the way they're trading, the way they're learning. And it's just a really great feeling. And on top of this, MyFundedFutures is sponsoring this 2-hour. I'm hosting it. And you know what? It's something that it's free. And you guys, not only do I do a giveaway, of course, MyFundedFutures does anywhere from 10 to 20, 30 some nights. One night we did 50 with Luke. Luke went crazy. But again, this is a really great night. It's free and there's a lot of learning. And, when you see that my community of traders from all around the world, they participate, they see the patterns, they're trading, and they're consistent. The likes of Jennifer and Jeff and so many other people who took advantage of the 7-day free trial, seeing the real positive effects of this is just unbelievable. But also, if you look here, think about what MyFundedFutures is. They're one of the best prop firms. One of the best prop firms. Look with Denny's working all hours a night. I'm here. They want to give back. They're giving out free accounts, whether it's a 50K core and or a scale. But overall, the dedication is for all of you. And you know what? We should really have 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 people watching this every single night. So I hope that you guys can spread the news, spread the word, and let's do it. I'm here.
By the way, 356.
Where?
That you've given out.
We've given out 356 7-day free trials. Yeah. 356. Yes, sir. So can you believe it? And MyFundedFutures is close to 600 and over 680. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable. I wanted to show you here. You can see the S&Ps made new highs here, hit almost a 6,900. You can see that the MACDs did not confirm the highs here. That was a sell, of course, right before we came on. Same thing with gold. Gold, a beautiful negative divergence. Gold just, oh my God, gold just dropped 14. Anyway, good to see everybody here today. Melvin, how are you? ICT NGL. Let's see here. Anybody new here? Sinclair Kaboosh. I like that. Look at that. That's how many evals were blown today? Well, I hope not. I really hope not, to be honest with you. If you want to take a stab on this gold, you can go like 32.5 to 40.5 on the gold long. How are you? Okay, I answered every phone call. Okay. Again, Denny's going to post my phone number because I think I said it like 900. I think I said the Guinness Book of World Records last night. Luciano 64C, how are you?
Your
Denny's,
number's already pinned in the chat. So if anybody needs it, just look at what's pinned.
Look at what's pinned. My cell phone number. Okay. I love the phone. No, Ethan, you're crazy. Fill the coolers. There you go. He spelled it right, Raphael. I have a short limit. I know why I said gold. I meant NASDAQ 26,155. All right. I would just lower your stops here on it. Let's do it, everybody. Like it. How many people are new? Post a 1, please, if you're new. If you're new. The 44, the Punisher. You got the point, right? You got it. See, everybody. Now, there's 2 people who did not get the, before I start, I just want to say, there are 2 people who did not get the free, and that's because the emails did not work. And the first one, I believe, if they're still here tonight, is Stephen Guzman and Leroy Yoder, Yoder. You 2, both of you, did not get the free 7-day free access because you guys, Key Trade Futures, how are you? So anybody who's new, my cell phone number is pinned. If you want a 7-day free trial, please just text me your full name and email, and I'll send you a 7-day free trial to my live stream, which is really unbelievable. Okay, there goes the gold up 4 just now. Beautiful pattern on the gold. Again, that was a beautiful sell divergence right here. And here's the gold on the pullback, where they just got down to 40.4. I don't know if that might have been right before us here. S&P longs, once the 30-minute gets overbought, you don't want to buy them when they're overbought. You want to buy them when they're oversold. So that was a really nice pullback there on the S&Ps right here. So anybody can see when the S&P futures reverses to buy here. You can see the 30-minute right here. 30-minute reverses to buy at 7 o'clock. And what do you look to do here? Boom. Right here, you buy the first pullback. That's 5 o'clock. 16. Yeah, and then you buy the first pullback on the 5-minute. Okay. Camilio, how are you, Camilio? Abu, anybody who sent me, I sent out, you got to send it to me again. Did you send it on WhatsApp? I sent it out to everybody. I'm just being honest with you. I sent it out to everybody. If you want to send it to me again, I'll check. Milton, how are you? Milton, Shiraz Muhammad. Okay. If you anybody who wants, if you didn't get it, how you see gold? Bullish. Bullish. I got it today. Thank you very much. If you didn't get it, please text me and I'll resend it. But if you no fugaziness here, okay? Right, Denny? No fugaziness.
No fugaziness.
No fugazi.
You heard him, chat. None of that.
None of that.
Yes, he did. I'm looking at it. The Abu Muammar guy.
He sent it?
I have it. I see it here.
Okay. Aaron says you got it.
Check your spam.
Check your spam.
Whatever.
Check whatever. Where can I? Oh my God! Look at the gold. Anybody get that gold long? Just ran 6. Good Lord God. David, what are you saying? Can I explain the gold as you mentioned? The gold short? Yeah, let me see. Well, it was just happened before. This is the gold short, but it happened way before we got here. Way before we got here, David. Good job, Andrew Knapp. Good job, Jeffrey, getting along on the gold. This short right here, okay? You're making new highs here, and these MACDs can confirm. If you look at the gold on the 30, beautiful, going up with the long, okay? And then look at the 60 going up with the long as well. Beautiful, making new highs along with the new high. Beautiful pattern there. It was really just off the push up here. You can see the 5-minute time frame right here. The gold was trading 40.59, and the 10-bar moving average was 40.38. So you were $21 from the 10-bar moving average. So a little bit overextended there. Okay, come on, guys. We got to be able to share. Let's go. Where's Arton? We need everybody to get this views up to 5, 6, 7, 800. There's no reason why. Okay, there's no reason why. There's no reason why. Let's see here. Aaron, let's see here. Anthony Surreal said he never got it. Suriel. Okay. Okay. Who's this other one here?
Anthony Sir. Yeah, no, he did.
Okay.
I got it right here.
Okay. Morali Velaruthium. Murali said he never got one either. I don't get it. Velayurthm. He said he never got one. I see it right here. He got it. Okay. Also, who's this one? Abu Mak.
Where you got that guy?
He said he did not get it.
He did. I see it here.
We see it, Abu Mak. I mean, you can't say you think.
So, sorry.
Yeah. I don't know. It's there. You guys got to. I don't know where, but you better check your emails then that you're giving me here. Okay. S&Ps, let's see if we got one more push up here. If this gold gets another push down to the, if this gold gets down to the 34.5, 32.5, 40.5 range. Okay. Who else here? Hey, Steven, I'd like to try your live stream name. Okay, we'll get that later. No problem. Don't want to bother you. Craig Lee said he never got one. LI. Well, I'm showing that it was sent. So you missed the long. All right, just ran 4 on the gold. Gavin, lawyer. Guys, whatever you sent me, I sent to Aaron. He has a program. It goes out, and if it's duped, you don't get one. So that means either you won again, right? Yeah. You can't.
Also, you guys got to make sure that if you already have an account created, the only way that it's going to work is if you create a new account with a new email address. That's it. Otherwise, that code will not work if you already had an account from 10 days ago, a year ago. It doesn't matter.
Right, and you guys can only win. And we got a system. You can't try to fugazi me because you basically could only win once in every 3 months. Okay, and we know who. If you guys are doing that, okay. If you guys try to scam me, you can't win. You guys will be banned. I'm giving you guys a chance for a 7-day free trial. If you guys start changing your emails and forget, we have the IPs. We'll check it. Trust me. It's not worth it, right? It's not worth it, right? It's just not worth it to cheat. Okay. All right. Trading for keeps. You never got mine because I never in bad luck. Well, if you sent me one, can I still look at silver more often? Sure. I'm not saying people are scamming. I'm just saying, okay, but like there were people who sent their names in like a couple times. I'm not saying everybody. A couple people put their names in more than once. All right. Silver should get one more push up here on silver, but you want to see these 15s. The silver been very quiet lately. Silver, Little baby Jesus, exactly. All right. Let's see. Maybe they created a free account. Steve, can you look at silver? I'm looking. I don't really see anything. Gold. What did this gold? Gold just rallied again. S&Ps just ran 4. 42 on the gold. 5s are going to turn up here. All right. Must be the same person who entered 5 times on that MyFundedFutures. Okay. Again, I sent out, for those of you who are blowing up my phone here, you guys got to check your. These guys are all saying they never got them. All of them. All these guys. Well, I'm just telling them. Why do I not use candles? I don't know. I don't like candles. I like bar data. Why are candles so special? What is it about a candle that makes it special? I mean, to each his own, right? It's not a birthday. Candles are for birthdays. I've been doing this game 43 years. You think I want to see orange, red and green bars? Like, you know what? This is more smoother. I can see things. If you want to use candles, all the best. All the best. You missed the S&P long. It ran 5 off the 5-minute. Okay, off the 5-minute. Well, what a day. S&Ps got down to the 68.52.50, rallied to about 13 near the end of the day. Then Amazon came out, and then Apple came out after that, and that was it. The party was over. Candles start fires. Exactly, Rocky Mountain trades. Exactly. Where's Hendricks? Oh, my God. Hendricks gave me the scare of a lifetime. I let him out of the car, right? Look at these S&Ps up 6. Hendricks, I opened the car door. I go, get in the garage. And he saw a squirrel, and he bolted. And then I have a gigantic field behind me. It's like got to be the size of 1.5 football fields. And Hendricks did. I never seen a dog run this fast. He ran the whole length of the field back and forth 3 times. Then he played this stupid game. He would run at me and at the last second dodge away from me. And as I tried to grab him, I'm telling you, that dog's crazy. But I was happy because you know what? 8 weeks ago, 7 weeks, he would have been dead. And he was just happy to run around. So, but I was just scared that I was going to lose him. I was scared I was going to lose him. So, anyway.
Chat, real quick. I don't want to take too much of Steven's time, but if you won an account yesterday, you can either open a ticket and it'll get issued to you because I already sent the winners' names up, or if you are patient enough, you can wait another 24 hours. It will be issued to you. Everybody who won on Tuesday got their account issued this morning. Okay.
Andrew Trades, where's the Discord? I don't even know what the question is. What do you mean, where the Discord? Nasdaq, there's no Discord. We're streaming live here. Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a good boy, I have to say. He was running around. This dog, it just brought such joy to me. I mean, literally, my backyard is the size of bigger than a football field. And he was running, older, 6 years old. And he was running around with that tongue hanging out of his mouth, running around, chasing, just running from one end to the other, from one end zone to the other. Then he would beeline to me and 4 feet in front of me, bolt around me good luck, try to get me. And he's I'm just blessed to have saved his life, Dollar strengthening versus euro, gold franc. Customer service said I didn't win the drawing on Tuesday and they won't give me an account. Blaze 0630. That you got to deal with Denny. How do you get gold data? Our property law. Denny, maybe you want to explain. Can we get these views up to 800? Come on. Enough is enough, really. Okay. All right, gold, I would cancel the buy range on the gold here. Edra, oh my God. I was having a heart attack, Edra. I thought for certain this dog was not coming back. Me too, Arton. Me too. I think you're right. Let's hit the likes button. Can we get these views over 550, 600 tonight, please? I mean, this is a free night. Oh my God, this dog actually looked like a thoroughbred. When he was running, all his legs were in the air at one time. Really, I mean, unbelievable. My Henny, my daughter calls him Henny. Gold going to 4,200 before the sell. Everybody, Grim Skull 4. Anybody new here? Put a 1 up, please. Anybody new? He's a Shepherd, Great Dane, and Golden Retriever. Kaboosh! Just Ben. Short S&P? Not yet. Not yet. Yep. Shepherd, Great Dane. He's 110 pounds.
A few of them replied, said, "Oh, I found it."
What happened?
I said a few of them replied and said they found it.
Where was it?
Well, I don't know, in their junk mail somewhere. Those guys. Come on, guys, just check your junk mail.
Check your junk mail, guys. Don't torture me tonight. It's Thursday night. What's the consensus on gold? Well, I think the consensus on gold is going up for now. I don't know about hitting the high of 43.91. Short gold, Steven? Not yet. No. That's a big dog. Oh my God, Rocky Mountain. You have no idea. But he's such a good boy. I come home, I'll walk him, I'll sit on the couch, he'll just put his big head on my lap, and that's the end of it. If anybody new, please put a 1 up here. If you're new, Ills, since yesterday. And anybody new, if you haven't received a 7-day free trial, my cell phone number, please text me your full name and email. It's pinned in here. It's pinned. I've given away over 360 free accounts. 360 free. Yeah, he's really quiet here. But no, he's a good boy, I have to say. So blessed. He comes to work with me every day, relaxes. Look at this S&Ps. S&Ps just ran 9. NASDAQ just ran about 24, 25. Alfred Haywood, how are you? Alfred? 41.38. Do I have a photo of Hendricks? Let me see. I think I have one. Of course I have one, but I got to just see where. Let me see if I can find one. This Moose. Where is he? This Moose. Yeah, I'll see if I can. Let me see if I can find one here. That's my Moose right there. Anybody say that? He's sleeping over here. Oh my God, look at the S&P's up 10. Look at this picture of my Moose. I'm still a Snoop. Let me see if I got a better one here. Here, can anybody see it here? That's by Henny. That's by Hendricks. Big dog. Can you believe he's 6 years old? His owners brought him in and said, euthanize him. And we saved this dog 30 minutes before he was going to be put down. Can we post a photo of the dog in the chat? Can we do that, Aaron?
Yeah, you can't do that on YouTube.
Am I allowed to before I get banned?
No. You cannot do that on YouTube. It doesn't let you post pictures.
Oh, you can't. Okay, can't do it.
You just can't do it. Steven, the people behind you, they're people who are here to learn from you, right?
Yes, Diana is from California and Jonathan from California. So why don't we just ask them? I didn't prep them. How have you liked the experience so far?
Oh, it's been amazing. I came here and I've learned more this week than I could have learned in 6 months at home. Not even 6 months. I mean, it's amazing how much you learn. You have to be here. You have to be in person. You have to see the charts. You have to watch them trade and see it firsthand. It's changing my whole trade. I used to trade options.
So Ann went from trading options. Diana. Take a step.
It's okay. It's on my phone.
Yeah, gives us her friend. So Diana was trading options, and I said, Diana, you really should think about. We really should think about trading futures. And I said, if you really want to expedite it, come here, spend a week here, and I'm going to teach you 50 plus hours, glued to me, the New York session, the Asian session. And I said, you'll gain 5 pounds because we go out to great restaurants every night. And then she takes pictures and sends them to her boyfriend, and he gets all mad. But and then Jonathan I've known longer than Diana. Jonathan, very good man. He's from California as well. He's going to be a father soon. And he said to me, Stephen, please help me. I really want to learn. And Jonathan, because of his work hours, wanted to trade. He wanted to trade Forex, but he never really put the time in. And, he was busy with work and coming home and being with his wife and everything. And then he called me up and he said, look, a few months ago, I really need to do this. I said, good. Then get on a plane and get here. Right, Jonathan?
Yes, sir.
And Jonathan is salt of the earth people. Both of them are. All the people. And but I've known Jonathan longer, and he, on my podcast tonight, I talked about one of my 5 keywords. One of my 5 keywords is passion, and passion is something that you have within, something that you need to have in order to find greatness, right? And whether it's anybody who's come here has shown the passion to come in and want to learn. Now there's a difference, night and day difference, obviously, by you're on my stream, you're going to learn that way, but when you're in person, I can't have 1 million people. That's why I want to build this Traders Cafe here in West Palm, and really the home of about 250 people on a monthly basis. But more or less, the skill set, the learning every day from 9 to 4. Literally, I stream every day from 9 to 4. I love it. I love helping people. I love teaching. I love telling people, the ability to learn. Look at these S&P's new highs. NASDAQ just ran 50. Wonderful. Off that pullback. So it's really a great thing. When I wake up in the morning, I pinch myself because I just love. I love the ability to see how well people are doing, how their process, with their processes and what their progress is. Right. Trading Cafe would be awesome. Yep. I mean, and I offer that to people if they want to come and spend a week with me. It's a great thing. I get to know people. I get even anybody who joins my live stream. I speak to them because I want to know what they're struggling with. How can I help them? And so many people have switched from trading options to futures. To me, futures by far is the greatest asset to trade. In my life, I think I did 2 option trades from the long side, and I probably did several hundred just selling premium. I think if you want to trade options like MSTR, the stock's down over 200 points, while Bitcoin has dropped, 15,000, 18,000 from the highs. MSCR is down 200. This was a name I literally sold premium, and more premium. I love selling premium on options. Is it risky? Of course. It's infinity to the upside, right? But yes, I live in Florida, Jupiter, Florida. I love it. For me, I think trading futures is something that I believe is very once you learn the trading of the futures markets, I think that it's I would buy this gold here between the 29 and 38 range if you get one more push down here. That's why I said I wouldn't short the S&Ps at 96. That was a beautiful pullback on the 5-minute. NASDAQ, of course, new highs. Who short the NASDAQ? I hope you covered down there. But again, took the ride on the S&P. Good job. Right? That was a nice long on the S&Ps off the 5-minute on the oversold condition right here. Kaboom. 89 got oversold right here, 90, and just ran 12 handles on the S&P. Gold just hit 38, just rallied 3 off the oversold. Let's see here. Again, Apple, Amazon going to really ride the market up tomorrow. How about Nvidia? Had 212 yesterday and dropped about $11 in no time. Have it been assigned an option trade? No, never been assigned. No, I was very fortunate. All my calls that I sold naked short went out worthless. Silver 42. Yeah, I make sure I'm really on top of everything. I want to see all of you succeed. If you want to take a scalp short only on the S&Ps, I probably look to short 03 to 09. NASDAQ a little stronger. I'd stay away from that one there, even though I think it's going to drop. For me, I think the most important thing is to be consistent, to really understand the methodology, understand understand the ability to trade the market based upon a methodology, a system that is I hope I'm saying that right. But again, what's important is that you understand the conditions in the market and understand that each condition has a buy and a sell divergence, and that every all day long, the strategies I've created are all based upon buy and sell divergences. Time to load up on Janix puts, 20 plus drop coming in a matter of months. Oh my God, I agree. DavG, I am telling you, 20% drop. Let's see where that goes down to 6,900. Let's see, 6,900 times 0.20. You're talking 1,380 points. 6,900 minus 1,380. Boom, 5,500. Those gaps will get filled on the downside. I'm telling you, you got gaps all the way down to 5,100. Okay, gaps filled. Okay, I agree. 20% coming. And again, my friend called me again and reiterated and said, come March of 26, 12 trillion of our debt will come due. Short on gold? No, I think gold's gonna get one more push up, Arton. Okay. The big caboose is coming, Mr. Mike. I agree, Mr. Mike. You only get a free trial if you're a non-member or if you're completely new to my stream. If I find that you're sending me an email and you want a free trial and you're a member and or you signed up before and you've been given one, you are officially banned for life. If you sold these S&Ps at 03, look to cover between even and a quarter or 1 1/4. What does this gold get down? I think gold's going to get one more push up, Arton. Mr. by 0.4. What was I, 38.5? What was I, 38.5 on the gold or 38? 29 to 38. I don't know what I was here. Or 38.5. I forgot what I was. S&Ps kabooshed 3 points. All right, I cancel the buy range on the gold. I don't know if I said 39 to 29 to 38 or 38 and a half. 40.70. Oh, really? Where'd you see Terry? Really, Johnny Lopez? Where'd you see Terry? He's good. He's great man, Terry Duffy. Well, you don't have to win. If you never signed up, I'm giving it to you for free. All you got to do is send me your full name and email to my cell phone. Big trades. Oh, I think I don't know. I think I mean eventually if once I think MSTR is going down first before it goes. Anybody short those S&Ps? Oh my God almighty. NASDAQ just dropped 20. You want gold to get kabooshed? Well, we'll see. Anybody new who's never signed up with me before gets a free 7-day trial. Okay, but if you've won one or been given one, you cannot reclaim another one for 3 months. This is for people who have never done it. Okay, and there's a lot of money I'm laying out here because I'm streaming in nanosecond, and nanosecond is not cheap. So I'm doing this as a courtesy for you to get a glimpse of what we do every day from 9 to 4. So right now I'm on YouTube. There's got to be between a 3 and a 20-second delay. And I didn't, okay. What did Terry say? How's Terry doing? Volume coming in gold? Oh, I don't know. Look at these S&Ps down 5. What does NASDAQ do? Kabooshed on the NASDAQ. Again, you're making new highs, non-confirmations. You get short the S&Ps?
No, I'm doing gold.
You're doing gold. NASDAQ 99. Boom. Down 23. Hugo's a very great man. Good job, Gary B. Short S&P 03. Right. What did he say? Did he tell you the story? I was with him on his birthday when we were talking about the micros, and he said, Stevie, the board wants me to do Bitcoin futures. I told him I want to do the micro E-minis first. I said, so go ahead. You're the CEO. He goes, yeah, but the board's the board. I said, Terry, what's the difference? The micro E-minis are going to come out. He goes, I know, but I want to launch them first. Well, the board won. The Bitcoin futures came out first, and then the micro E-minis right after that. Okay. Again, if gold might get kabooshed here.
Says 40.44.
It got to 44. He's saying to short it there. He's saying to short the gold at 44.
Yeah, then you can boost me. It's getting going down.
Yeah. you want to get these 15s over. So, oh my God. Anybody short the NASDAQ? Anybody short gold? Kabooshed, Gabriel. Can we get to 500? Johnny Lopez, just text me your number. I'll give you a call after. Sure, I'd love to come out. Terry's a great guy. Great guy. Unbelievable. Both of his sons play hockey. I'm short the MNQ, short the NASDAQ. Good job, Zeal, B. All right. Lower your stops on the S&P. I did not call the short, and the high was, I think, what, 21? I think the NASDAQ was 99, I think. I'm looking to buy, go long gold around 40.20. Oof. Kabooshed on the gold. Can we get the views up? I know, Jack. Boom. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Okay, we got about 5:30 between my YouTube and MyFundedFutures YouTube. Denny, you going to do a giveaway tonight, Denny? Denny? Oh,
I'm here.
Denny.
Yes, I'm doing a giveaway tonight. I already told chat. It's going to be happening every single night. Just give me a little bit more time. I'm getting it fixed or getting it created. That way I can send it out.
Okay, got it. So there will be a giveaway. And I'm anybody who's not signed up for mine, and anybody who is completely new will get a 7-day free trial. My phone number it's pinned Just text me your full name and email. If you don't text me your full name and email, you're not getting it. That's it. Case closed. Very simple. Martin, good job, Martin. Confidence. No, you got it backwards. Consistency, discipline, confidence, patience, and passion, my brother. Martin's a good man. Martin came to visit me. 2,800 on 5 accounts. Damn good. Way to go, Martin. Way to go, my brother. Way to go. Damn straight. Let's go. Wakeed, how are you? All right, 46 more to 500. All out for 3078. What is this? I think this goal is going to turn up here. Hit that 38 level here. I still think this goal is a buy here. See what the 30 looks like. Oh, what a bull flag on the 30. $60 still rolling over. We got the Chinese market opening in in 18 minutes here. Hey, Joe Brown, CV Joe Brown. A lot of people from Australia. I got to tell you, a lot of people from my live room. CV Joe Brown. Hey, Steve, I'm news. Can I get your email as I can? Sure. Steve K, the number 5 at me.com.
Chat,
Hey,
it's pinned. Giveaway is pinned. Make sure you go sign up.
Steve K, the number 5 at me.com. CV Joe Brown. CV Joe Brown. Got it. Sounds like a guitarist. Bonita Beach. How's Hendrix? Hendrix is a good boy. He did a breakaway on me. Big M241 Aussie. I have so many people from Australia in my live stream. New Zealand, Melbourne, Sydney. So many people from it's unbelievable. Angela, Mark, Duzil. Oh my God, so many people. So many. So many. Steve K, the number 5 at me.com. Gold trying here. Should get one more push up here when these 15s get oversold. Oh my God. Come on, gold. Do something. Robert Up. How are you from Canada? My God. I can't believe the Dodgers got smoked last night. What the hell is that about? Unbelievable. All right. Where's the giveaway pinned? Waiting on the China market? Absolutely. Let me see if I can read something to you here. My friend texted me this here while it's slow. Might as well. Today's S&P all-time high, which was yesterday, will make the history books. It will happen with the most negative breath at an all-time high on record. There you go. There goes the gold up 3. I know, Wiki, right? I saw that. Hey, Lord Giorgio Capital, how are you? So if you look here, you can see once the 15-minute time frame on the S&P is reversed to buy, gold just rallied 3. You can see when the 15 reversed to buy right here, MACDs are below the pivot, right? You can see this here at 1645. Every pullback on the 5-minute time frame was a long and then the 15 oversold into a positive MACD. Beautiful. Beautiful. If you want to take a long here on the gold, 29.5 to 37.5, 38, or you can go 29 to 38. Let's see if you get a little bit of push up here. And then I would just use micro since we're only trade the 15, 30 minute now broke. No, you got to look at the 15, 30, and 60 based upon my methodology. Then you can use the smaller time frames like the 3, 5, 15. Okay, like today, for example, you want to see a great pattern. Look at the spiders on the 30-minute time frame. 30. Well, it's a little bit more defined on the Qs. Okay, the Qs right here reverse to sell on the 60-minute time frame right here. The 60-minute reverse to sell, it correlates with the 30, red over orange, negative MACD, blue over yellow, blue over yellow. What do you look to do? You short. Look at this beautiful bear flag. Overbought into the negative MACD. Look at the Qs here. 631. Look at this thing down $4, $5. Okay. If you bought the gold, what did gold get to 37? Oh my God. I'd be scaling out of longs here. Just trade them. All right, to each his own. Trade with CJ. Andrew, how are you, Andrew? You get that one?
I did.
Good. Good job. All right. Good job, Bwin. How are you? Gold should go to 30. This is BS. I know. It's very slow. TikTok tan here in India. If anybody new, my phone number is pinned in the chat there. You can sign up for a 7-day free trial. You got to text me your full name and email, period. Nice little bull flag here on the 30. Look at this Arton on the 30-minute. And here's the 60. A little bit not there just yet. I'm like 40-20 on gold. Do you think gold goes lower next week? How about can we just focus on now? What I got to worry about next week? Who cares about next week? You want to survive tomorrow. Gold just rallied 4, right? Can't see the link of the giveaway, Denny? I don't know. Come on, 45
Chat,
more to 5.
The link is posted above the chat. It's already posted. I posted it like 5 different times.
Jane Seymour, thank you for the ads. SK, you're very, very welcome. And I'd love to see you guys. Oh, my God. There goes the gold up 5. These 15s are going to turn up. So yesterday in the Chinese market, I said up and then down. That's exactly what happened. Okay, Daniel, how are you? I think you might have heard me. Okay. Link is not working, they're saying. Send me a screenshot. I don't see the link. Okay. There we go. Up. We were 35 away. We just lost 7. All right. Let's see what silver did there. Silver was hovering around the 80 level. Just got kabooshed off the 5. Silver was right here. Now the 5 goes negative against the 15, 30, and 60. That's a buy. That's a buy. Could you please explain the charts and indicators on your screen? Bonnie Boy? Sure. Okay, so I use this to see the net difference from price to the 10 bar. I have strategies for that. Also, there's a lot of times in a very positive trend, okay, or a negative trend, you can see here at the S&P futures, we're hovering right here, the 10 bar. Sometimes it goes below it, and sometimes when it's so far away, I look for patterns as well. The solid white line here is what's called my pivot line. And my pivot line basically is just telling me if the MACDs are they positive above the pivot or negative above the pivot, negative below the pivot, or positive from below the pivot. Okay. So if they're positive from below the pivot, like here, you can see the MACD is positive from below the pivot. So it gives me the ability to see the pivot line where the MACD is. The MACD is indicator 1. Indicator 2, you have direction of movement with the direction of movement with the buying and selling pressure. Indicator 3 is my own proprietary overbought oversold oscillator. It ticks dynamically but plots end of bar. And indicator 4 is my predictive analytics. Inside the algorithm, you'll see these yellow dots, and that means that's the price of the asset within the algorithm. Indicators 1, 3, and 4, I use 85% of the time. Indicators 1, 2, 3, 4, I use 15% of the time. Okay? All right. Anybody get that gold long? Up 5, 6 just now. Who spammed the link? Smoke screen. No spamming. All right. Okay. Patrick, how are you, Patrick? How are you, Patrick? Okay, so if you draw on a piece of paper 1, 2, 3, 4, number 1 is my indicator 4. Number 2 is my MACD. Number 3 is my overbought oversold oscillator, and number 4 is my ADX with my with the buying and selling pressure. So again, all my methodologies are based upon my algorithm on indicator 4, on the 60, on the 30, and on the 15, period. And everything I do is based upon what's called combination methodology, okay? And I teach it, and if you can master this, I think you will be on your way to becoming great traders, period. Okay? And again, if anybody is new, my phone number is pinned in the Discord. And if you want a 7-day free trial and you've never signed up, I'm willing to give it away for free for 7 days. But if I find that you duped it or you've gotten one, we'll know like that. And then you're banned forever. So think before you do. My father used to say to me all the time, Stephen, think before you talk and think before you do. So it's up to you. If you got one, great. Hope you learned for 7 days. Decide what you want to do after that. And then, but if I find that you guys are trying to fugazi me, it's going to be a problem. Okay? Voltron, how are you? Come on, 33 more. Oh, 26 more. The audio goes out every 5 seconds. Eric?
What?
That's what he's saying. Audio goes out every 5 seconds.
Does anybody else have that?
Anybody else having that issue? 469. Caboose Gold, let's go.
Seems to be working fine for our end, Steven.
What's that?
I said it seems to be working fine for us. Like you're not
Okay.
lagging or going in and out for me.
Point Firm Pack Golf, you sound tired. Oh, I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted.
Yeah, I don't think so. I think it's that person.
It might be that audio is fine, not here, fine
Yeah,
for
check
me.
the
Nope,
internet.
all good. Anybody new, place a 1 next to it, next to your name. You're gonna get an opportunity to get a 7-day free trial with me. All right. Tomorrow night, 4 o'clock, boom. Done for the week. We're going to the River House. We're gonna have a nice prime, what's it called? Prime rib, what?
French dip.
French dip. There you go.
You got the email, yeah.
All right. What email?
4 p.m. tomorrow.
Yeah, I have a call. Yep, I just saw that. Oh my God. Gotta make sure.
He's gonna do his podcast too.
All right, I gotta make sure I get that note written down for that, or else I'm in trouble here.
Hank, I'll put his phone number back up after the giveaway's over, or after I close the giveaway, which is in 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Make sure you sign up. I already spammed the link in the chat multiple times, so make sure you go and find it, fill it out, sign up.
All right.
Steven, someone said, do you use tick charts?
Absolutely not. These are the charts I use in front of me. Tick charts here. These tick charts, 25 tick charts. No, I don't use tick charts. No.
Chat 10 seconds.
Come on, can we get to 500, 600 here? Andrew, we had the French dip, right, Andrew? Amazing. All right, kabooshed.
Form is officially unpublished. No one else can fill it out. Your 15 minutes are now up.
What do you do when TikTok gets banned in our country? I have no idea.
Okay, so TikTok is like you sharing the stream is only for you to be entered into the 5 extra giveaways. You can still fill out the form and still win on the wheel.
Trading futures. I don't trade options. If anything, you sell premium on options. Patrick, you got to come down and try this French dip. Oh, my God. Nice glass of red wine. Scotch. Unbelievable. All right. Can we get the likes up too? Can we get the, we're 38 away from 500. 38 away. Anybody that has a 1, you guys should be emailing me or texting me. Okay. And you'll get a 7-day free trial. My phone number is in the, was it pinned?
Steven, market's moving kind of sluggish tonight.
I don't know, man. The market's exhausted. Really, the market is exhausted here. I mean, gold has some wild moves today. I think this gold's, you think this gold's going to 20? I think this gold could get down. If this gold gets down to the, with the 15 oversold here, if this gold gets down to the 25.5, 33.5 range, I probably think that's where it's going to buy. 914-500-7484. Gold out of control. 475. Okay, Chinese market's going to open here. Actually, I would cancel that buy-in gold. The Chinese market's going to open here. 30 seconds. Thanks, Tronex. This might go down and then up with the Chinese market. I'm saying down and then up. I'm sure gold to 31. Be careful. The Chinese market's opening. Fiserv dead? I think so. FI. I got absolutely destroyed. Look at this stock. Oh, my God. They go down a lot faster than they go up.
Chat, Steven's phone number is now posted back up top. Make sure you message him so you can get your free 7-day trial.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Where's Artan? Artan is here. I say down and then up on the gold. Come on. Bring me down to like 29, 28. Here we go. I said down and then up. Let's see if I'm going to be right.
Oh, shit.
Let's go.
Steven, around 9 o'clock or 9:20, you think good for me to spin the wheel?
I say 9:15.
9:15. Okay.
There you go, Gabriel Trades. Come on, 24 more. I say we're down some more. I said 33 at first. Let's just see what's going to happen. I want to see a cabooshin. Come on, give me a 29. Arton, not Antoine. 21 more here to 500. Let's do it. Here we go. Come on, give me 29. If this gold gets down to the, I would like to see this gold get down to the, I'd probably go like 20. Oh my God, I just got to 31. Oh my God, I just rallied 4. Just ran 3 on the gold.
Chad, if we can hit 600 viewers and stay above 600 viewers for this next until 9:30, I'll do an extra 5 giveaways.
There you go. There you go. Support. I don't look at support.
We're at 474 right now. It means we just need 129. Too easy, chat. There's 400 of y'all watching. Share the stream, like it, send it to your friends, family, Ethan, grandma. Just make sure you send it. Tell them to come watch.
Victoria P wants to know that we post a link on YouTube. All right, if this gold gets down to the 23 and a half to 31 and a half, I'd buy it.
Man.
Heck yeah. 24 and a half to 31 and a half. I look to buy it on the gold. Just ran 4. Ah, shit. Thank you, everybody. Damn. Oh, come on. Look at this gold off the 5. No, I was just being a little bit too cautious there. You and me both, Craig. Got to go to dinner, Trade Smith. All right, 5 away from 500. 3 away. Back to lifting weights. Get in there. Trade with CJ. Oh, come on. $5 on the gold. Damn it. NASDAQ is wild. NASDAQ, you ain't kidding. Just when you think they're going to get, oh my God, this gold. Oh my God, $6. See when the 5, look at the 15. The 15s right here had like a almost an 8 oversold condition. Oh my God. Anybody get the long 2 on? Look, I told you down and then up. Down and then up. Get in there.
Huh?
What happened? There you go. Down and then up. Up 7. Oh, my God. I was thinking 29. All right. I canceled the buy range. These 15s turning up. Now, with this negative MACD here, don't expect new highs here. If this 15 gets overbought somewhere in the night here, I don't know what's going on. My pencil's not working. Oh, my God, 9. Jesus, Lord God. I'm long from 40. Just my pencil's not working. This thing. But it's not working, the pencil. Normally you'll see a pen.
Yeah.
You got the long hypercube. Hey, 500. Da 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 da. Kaboom. There you go. 500 for a split second. And now we a cabooshin. Oh, it just dropped 4. Artan's here. Why is everybody just, where is everybody tonight here? Only a few people have texted me their full name and email for the 7-day free trial. My God, the index futures are quiet. So even when you got the push down here, you can see the push down to 31. The algorithm would reverse the sell at 40.22.5. So I kind of like, I thought 29.5, but it got down to 31.5. I was probably a little bit more cautious on that one. When the 5 goes negative, you could take the long against the 15, 30, and 60. S&P's, gold up 11 here now. Damn it. Who else said down and then up? So when the market opened here, 39, down to 31, down and then up. Boom, up 10. The dollar helping the short side of gold. I don't know, gold's up 26. Why do I have, first of all, if I had different colors, I'd be in the hospital. Okay, you want me to have different color? Look at this gold. My cell phone number, 914-500-7484. It's pinned, 7484. All right, thank you. There goes the gold. Oh, my God. 13. Artan, you get that long, Artan? Artan will be here on Monday. Is it Monday, the 3rd? Yeah. Monday's the 3rd. Artan will be here. You got to have fun. Dylan Trades, how are you? You got to have fun. Damn it. I missed it by freaking overthinking. I was trying to get a good place to buy it. I was thinking 29.5, 30.5. Got to 31.4. Yeah, Julian, me and you both. Look at it, up 14. Oh, my God almighty. All right. Corp trades. You should have red, green, and yellow. You want to see me go like this? I'll lose my mind if I had red, green, yellow. Are you crazy? Green's hard enough. Oh my God, up 16. Anybody still long the gold? Oh my God almighty. What a pencil up. Oh my God, 17. Me, Julian, and Jeff missed the long. Oh my God almighty. The 15s got oversold. Damn it. You ain't kidding. Our time, I got my pencil back. Or I think I did. Did I? Nope, I didn't get my pencil back. 1,500 on gold. Joshua Torres. I use blue and red. Oh my God almighty. That was a trade of the night. I was like, it's just going to get one more push down. Should I go 29.5? Should I go 30.5? Once it printed 33, I said, screw it. Just go to 31.5. And then we never got it. I don't need the colors. Exactly, Rocky, right? Pencil up. No, not the 15s are still turning up here. Behaving. Going back to 56. I agree. Beautiful long. Beautiful long. I'm just sick I missed it. Done for the week. 514. Adwin. I said down and then up in the Chinese market. Come on. Give me a little credit. Exactly, Rocky Mountain. Tell him, Rocky Mountain, you're hired. Come work with me, brother. Look at this. Oh, my God almighty. 20 handles. This is all you want to just blow your brains out. What's that you did?
I added so you could print from your phone.
You could print from my phone.
Yeah, so like if you just show you really quickly, just anything.
Here?
Yeah, any email. No, emails because this is
email.
Yeah, so like you just click on one of them, right, and you hit this arrow.
Yeah.
And then you scroll and you see print.
And it's hooked up to the computer?
To the printer.
Oh, good job.
And then wait before you do it.
Well, let me focus on the market.
Okay, and then you choose printer and then it does it. So
Okay.
boom, boom, boom.
Well, show me later.
Yeah. Okay. All right,
Thank
I
you.
wanted to do that.
Thank you. Go eat your hamburger.
I already did.
You did?
Yeah. Come on, man. What are you talking about?
Oh, my God. Option man. Perfect. What a kaboom. Joy of missing out. Yep. Me and you both. Me and you both. Gold's on fire. Again, anybody new, you could text me. Long way from Alberta, Canada to Florida. Well, hop on a plane. Chicken Trader is from Alberta too.
I got into that buy, Steven.
What happened?
I said I got into that long.
You did?
The buy. Yeah, I got it in on silver and gold.
Well, I was having a horn, 29.5, 30. Oh, my God, silver.
Yeah.
Off the 15.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
I made $1,500 on both of them.
Each?
Yeah, each. So $3,000 in total.
Look at this, my Denny. There you go, my brother. Denny, just trade all day long, Denny.
I don't like trading all day long. So I like taking a mental break.
Nah.
But I mean, it was clear that it was about to turn around and go back up. So I hope a lot of people got in.
Let's see about this gold here. Arton, you didn't get the long? I think Arton missed it as well. Should get one more push up here. Just drop 4. 500. Edra! There you go, Edra from Alabama. Damn. Go get him, Edra. Now, and gold just got kaboosh. What a bear flag. 51 to 46. Well done, Denny. Well done.
Thank you.
You got the short, Gary B? Okay. Edra, great job, Edra. I called Edra today. From the great state of Alabama, Birmingham. See, Edra,
Izzy,
I didn't
right
forget
now I'm
Edra.
up 3K.
Huh?
Izzy asked how much I made today. I told him I'm up 3,000. Guys, I do 3 cons though. 2 to 3 cons every single time I take a trade.
Me too. Catch the long with Steve, say down and then up, and I'm about $2,000 profit. I mean, that's what I'm saying, right? $2,000 profit, Edra 500, people made money. And here's the thing, this is a free 2-hour that MyFundedFutures is sponsoring and I'm hosting. And we should literally have, 5,000 people on this thing, learning and understanding why this pattern here, the 5 goes negative. I knew to go long. I missed it. I was just hammering and horn. Gold just dropped 6. And I saw the oversold on the 15 and the positive trend. And I was just you're going to get just one more push down, one more. And then, of course, once it printed 33, I said, raise it to 31.5 and never look back. Okay. Long from 43. I would not be long up here. I mean, I think, you trace the 51, I'd be selling it. Edra, once you learn from me, Edra, it's over. OVA, over.
Steven, you ready to do 5 giveaways?
Let's do them. Let's do it. 5 giveaways for my 50K core or scale?
No, core. Yeah, it's going to be core for a little while. No, Martine. I just said I'm doing 2 to 3 cons every time. Every time I take a trade, if it's scalping, I'm doing 2 to 3 cons. Corb, I know. Are you in there, Corb? Let me see. Make sure you're in here. I've seen you type once tonight, but let's see if you're here now. Corb, let's go. Congrats, my man.
Yeah.
All
this
right.
one guy right now.
Moving on to number 2. Who is lucky number 2?
I'm supposed to get why? I'm supposed to get one. Yeah, I am. It's on my
Tris,
list.
are you here, Tris? No, Michelle, it's 2 to 3 minis. I don't trade micros. That's just me, everybody. I don't offer financial advice. Trade what you know you can trade. Tris, where are you?
Going once, going twice. Gig, you can't be late, Gig.
Sold.
Arton up 2,000.
Arton? Go get him, Arton!
Yep, Tris is gone. Moving on to next. What did Arton do?
He's up 2 G's.
Nice.
Man, Arton and I going to Michigan-Ohio State game November 29th in Ann Arbor.
Stephen Wilson. Brad, what did you want me to do for entertainment purposes only?
Silence wins 33. I had $20,000 a day today with SK. You see that? Silence wins. God bless you, brother. That's what I love about that. Look at that.
Stephen Wilson.
Stephen Wilson. He just texted me. Congratulations.
I see you. I see you, Stephen.
Denny, you see this? Silent wins 33. Had a 20,000K trade today with SK.
Dang. And y'all over here not signing up for his when he was doing the giveaways that way.
You guys got to be part of my stream. I'm giving away a 7-day free trial. Bull flag on gold. That's not a bull flag.
Vander, where are you at, Vander?
What a short on the gold.
There's no more ways to enter, Grim. Sorry.
You can't enter again, Grim. Sorry.
No, he didn't enter once, but it's because I only leave the link up for 15 minutes.
Stephen Hanley, you know I know you a long time. You can come down.
I see you, Vander. Congrats. Let's see who's lucky number 3.
Eddie, what happens if we get to 600? Can we do a little extra something?
Yeah. If we get to 600 and we stay above 600 for at least 30 minutes, I will do an extra 10. I'll do an extra 10. Buy low. Buy low. I was initially only going to do an extra 5 to stay above 600, but I'll do an extra 10.
Arton, I'll see you in Florida. Arton. Oh my God. S&Ps. NASDAQ kabooshed. Where's the bear?
I got the bear for you.
The guy who bought 03s on the NASDAQ. He just jumped.
It's not rigged. You can't rig a wheel.
You can't rig a wheel. Denny, somebody sent me some pretty cool.
Cranston White, you're lucky number 5. What'd you say, Steven?
I said somebody sent me a pretty good song about Kaboom and Kaboosh last night. I'm sure he had AI make it, but it got that southern flair to it.
Should send it to me so I can play it on the stream next week.
I've sent it to you. I sent it to you today.
Text message or
text? Yeah, check the text.
Oh yeah, through Suno.
Yep.
Okay. I'll get this downloaded and then put into StreamYard next week. That way we can have it playing. That way we can play it next week.
531. If we get to 600, we may do something special here. Come on.
All right, now 2 random people for sharing the stream. And then we're going to go back to Steven. All right, lucky number 1 is Spyro2373. Where you at,
Wow,
Spyro?
there you go. Finally break even on the night. What happened? Oh, shit. This was a buy. 42 to 48.
Spyro, where you at?
Ba, 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 dun, dun, dun.
I see you, Spyro. Congrats. All right. And then the next winner, Big M241.
Biggie. Right, Jen? You got me crazy. You better come up with a good song for that. Biggie.
There we are. Let's go. Congrats.
1, 2, 3.
All right. I'll be back at 9:45.
Come on, we get to 600. Oh, we just dropped 20. Jesus. My ratty, there you go. Biggie. Can't look at this. Should have went to the 3-minute. Gold just ran 6. Mr. MC, MLC. We're not getting to 600 tonight. Oh my God. Should have went to the 3-minute. 49. See if this gold can go over. You got to treat a core account like it's your baby. Absolutely. Ethan, how are you? Adam Daz. Come on, guys. Let's go. Get this to 600.
Steven, look who I got.
What? Hey, there's the mascot.
Look at the baby.
There she is. Hey there.
She's like, what is going on?
She has no idea. She has no idea. Thank you for sharing the post. Thank you.
Her name is Ilani. E-L-A-N-I. Ilani.
We were just at 540. Now we're at 485. Oh my God.
That, Steven, is called botting.
That was botting?
Yeah, that means someone bought some bots to get us up above 500.
No, 500 was up there for a while though.
Yeah, I mean they can stay anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes.
Yeah. Be careful saying caboose. These Nasdaq's gonna be very strong tomorrow, but you'll have buy and sell divergences. Anybody who did not send me their full name and email, and who has not ever done so before, and has not been given a free 7-day free trial, you can, if you want to text me. Okay, you'll get a free 7-day trial. Your full name and email. Okay, full name and email. What is she doing up? Isn't your daughter tired? Good job. Making an average of 300 a night. I'm thinking about taking a full week just to listen to your live stream and see if I can improve. Well, come on down, Eric. Just go to sktrading.live. It's $4.50 a day. I mean, how can you beat that, really? Marenza, if you want a free 7-day trial, just text me and I'll give it. Just leave your full name and email. Where my base, Jupiter, Florida. Trade flows. So Aaron, how does he do this? He got the link, but he's not going to start till Monday. So he's going to lose 2 days.
Essentially,
You're going to lose 2 days.
I already replied to some of the people about that.
Cindy Schrader, I just went over everything. I went over my charts, but I'll try to do it again.
I think so.
NASDAQ just ran 10. S&Ps just ran, what are these S&Ps? Again on the fives.
Oh, well, can she grab your keys for the bathroom, please?
You talking to me?
Yeah.
Chat. She is literally 2 months old. No,
you got my
2 months
keys.
old until November 12th. Then she will be 3
I
months
got to be in
old.
my car.
I'll just check it out. Let's check it out.
You,
And she's not
if
up
you
making
go out
money.
this
She's
way,
losing me money.
yeah, you'll be fine. What is going on my chart? Who asked about my thank you, trade flows. All right. At a yes, let's see here.
Thank you, Rocky Mount. Thank you, Weekhead.
Just ran 5 on the 4 on the S&Ps.
Yeah,
Nasdaq is
I have
perfect.
3 daughters. Lila. Thank you, Big M.
Do you see
Thank
US
you,
going
ICT.
to the opening gap price? I know I don't really think like that because who knows? All I know is going into tomorrow, looking at the spiders, the market's going to have a wall of resistance here. Got that short hit my good job. Got the short on the gold. You see this here? Look at the 60-minute time. Oh my God, gold's going to get kabooshed. Negative MAC. So when gold, let me just show the gold here. Look at the 60-minute time frame tomorrow. If we gap up right now, we're going to gap up almost $4. Okay, $4.50 into this negative MACD. I say short the world. You see this negative MACD, and then the algorithm doesn't reverse to buy till 686 tomorrow. Okay, right? You see that? Trade to play. Well, text me whoever you are. I'll come. Me and our time, we'll meet you. Look at this. The negative MACD here. So we're going to gap up tomorrow, like right around here. Okay. And look at those negative MACDs. Good luck. So this is why I was looking for the short on the gold. You can see here, first of all, I don't know what the hell's going on here. Jesus. You can see here, come on, before I break everything. You can see here the push up on the gold. All right. The high here was 55, but these negative MACDs stalled the push up here. So let's see what the 3 is doing. Ba, 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 ba. How does gold do that? 41 to 46 off the 3. Let's see if we got a push up. We were so close to 500. It's just a joke. Who's that? Who made that money? 1,400. Tronex. Good job, Tronex. 282 on how many accounts? On 10 accounts. There you go. The hell's wrong with that? S&P's up 5. NASDAQ just ran about 18. I agree. I mean, this was a nice long. I want to see it really shoot up to new highs, the non-confirmation here. S&P's up 6. Now, I told you this NASDAQ, be careful. NASDAQ just ran 25. A little bit of a bear flag here. China PMI at 930. Okay, it's out. JB with God. Good job. Were you long, JB, or you shorted up here? You took that long, JB, up 4,500 on the new. Wow, look at that, Jenny. JB with God made 4,500. Short the NASDAQ. I'd be
Let's
a little
go,
careful.
JB.
JB is in the house.
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm not looking to short gold. No. Good job, JB. So JB caught that long right here, $4,500 up. William Santos up 900. Great job, William. If you want to take a long on this gold here, look to go 40.70. Probably go 32.70 to 40.70 on the gold. Let's see if you get one more push down here. I think you're going to get one more push up on the 5. Yes, sir. Yes, I do. 9 o'clock to 4 p.m. My website, sktrading.live. Hey, SK, what about NASDAQ? I think the NASDAQ is running out of steam here. I'd like to see it get up to like the 97 to 27 range. No, I said 32.70 to 40.70 on the gold. I don't say the full. Up 1,100. Eddie Sargent. Great job, Eddie. Good day today. Conspiracy theory trader, how are you? Peace, love, health, success. Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. JB, 4,500. JB. All right. Anybody wants a free 7-day trial who has never signed up before and who's never received one, I'll grant it to you. 7-day free trial, nanosecond, no delay. You join my live stream. You'll be pleasantly surprised. Pleasantly. Okay. You do anything today?
Yeah, I'm over 5.
Up 500?
No, over 5,000. Up like a little 100.
From starting tonight, 5,000? Or from today?
No, from today.
So you made 1,000.
No, I made like a few hundred.
Oh.
No.
Oh, okay. So you're about like 45, 4,700?
I was like 48.
So you make all right.
A couple $100, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I'm still in gold long making money right now. So.
Okay. If you want to raise the gold, let's go 33 to 41. And I was scaling to micros. 15 still turning up. I missed it here by 30 cents. Can you believe it? There goes the S&Ps. Just rallied 6. NASDAQ. You got bear flags on the NASDAQ here. So NASDAQ 26,198 to 26,228. Helping for wow, look at this. Helpful G. I had a 8,400 today, SK. I implemented the scaling into my strategy after some really good results, back testing. I applied it to the live. God bless you, really. Good job. I pray that's, I can't even talk. I'm so tired. I pray that is accurate. But anyway, I'm taking you for your word. The scaling in and scaling out will either make you great, okay, or not great. Okay. I sent you an email. Who's this? Who sent me an email? I only got one email. Hank Brown. SteveK5@me.com. Okay. And what I'm trying to say here overall is that if you're able to scale in properly, it will change your life forever. Now, people say to me, Stevie, what's the best way to scale in and out? Scaling in and out is an art. You have to, number one, say to yourself, how many contracts do you want to trade? Then is it a scalp trade or a pattern trade, right? Okay. This is the best team. Absolutely. Scaling in, Angela, is Angel, will make or break you. Okay. Exactly. Pietro, I tried calling you. You're in my live stream, right? Pietro, I tried calling you, never call me back. All right, if this S&Ps get up to 03 again, I'd short it. 03 to 09. So scaling in and scaling out is critical. Critical, and critical. Okay. If I call a $6 range or $8 range on gold, do you do 1, 1, 4, 6? Do you do 1, 2, 4, 8? Do you do 1, 1, 5, 10? Okay. Everybody's different. If I lined up 10 people and I called a range in gold, let's say I said, look to short 51 to 58. I bet you my life 10 people will have the different offers. You could sell some of this gold 41 up to 43, 44. Okay, if you bought the 41s. And scaling and hand on the mouse, period. Hand on the mouse. I don't look at support. Okay. But Helpful G, I would love to hear from you. If you want to text me, 914-500-7484. Well, I was just getting back to you. That's all. Well, text me tonight or call or text me after 10:15. I want to see how you're doing. Okay. And again, if you want a 7-day free trial, please text me. All right. That's a great job. Yes, scaling. Okay, so let me ask you a question. I can't even say Matro whatever 517. Scale can also make it worse for some traders. Okay, so how would you enter a trade? Single lot entry. Okay. 808. Jason Guidry, great job. 880 tonight on 4 accounts. Thank you for your monthly subscription. 30 years of trading. Finally profitable. Well, again, you're more than happy to call me, and I'll definitely love to work with you. Scale out of this gold above 41, 42. Just traded down to 38 and change here, 39. Jason Guidry, if you want to text me, we'd love to hear from you. So let me ask you a question, 517. I'm not looking at this. Look at this gold. Okay, you long the gold? What are you doing?
I don't know.
How much you up?
I've made 800.
All right, you're done for the night.
Yeah.
Okay.
Too much
So-
here.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. I think you have more upside. Yes, I think a little bit more, not much. So how do you enter your trades? Single lot entries? You just say, okay, I'm going to buy gold at, I don't know, 40, 42, thinking it's going to go to 60. You do a single lot entry? No. I wish you the best. Do you stop at break even ever? What does that mean? You have to raise your stops and trade them. If you can make $10 a day trading gold, and you can make 10 S&P points, you'll change your life forever. I said to somebody a couple of nights ago, where can you go in your life and make this much money overnight if you're successful in trading? You can't be a doctor overnight. You can't be an athlete overnight. You can't be a lawyer overnight. What can you do overnight? But if you learn properly, right? If you learn properly from someone like myself, who's got 43 years of experience, don't you think you have a possibility of a really good chance of really turning your life around with this? That's how I look at it.
Oh, Miami, Baltimore right now.
What happened?
Thursday night football.
Who's winning?
Baltimore up 14-6. Almost ended the second quarter.
Only about a handful of people texted me for the free trial. Again, if you're new, you could text it, and if you've never done it or receive one, you're free. You get the 7-day free trial. But if you have gotten one, hey, look at the S&Ps drop. NASDAQ, look to cover between the 93 and 98. S&Ps, look to cover even to 01.5 if you're short. Mark Patterson, my man. My man, Mark Patterson. There you go, brother. There you go, my brother. Mark spent the whole week with me last week. Look what happened. Look at that, my brother. I am so proud of Mark. ATN, another one. Mark Jackson, Hugo, Jeffrey, Crystal, Martin, Jesus. Timmy G from Colorado. Man, I love all you guys. Put my glasses on. I think, Denny, in 2 minutes, we're going to do some more, right, Denny? How do you get gold data? What do you mean? This has been the slowest I've seen gold in God knows how long. I'm proud of you, Jonathan. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
You up there?
5184.
I'd be careful with the long just now. Gold's down 14 off the highs.
Steven.
It's time, Denny.
Time.
It's time to do 5 more, brother.
Chat, do you want 5 more? Or do you think we should just stop at 7?
Oh my God, gold just got kabooshed.
Chat is a fiend for giveaways.
10 more.
Don't know about 10. We didn't even reach 600 tonight. DNE Bad, are you here? Steven, someone said, let's say if I want to buy 5 lots for a bull flag pattern, how do you suggest?
To buy 5 lots of minis or micros?
That's a good question. Maytoem, minis or micros? Also, DNE Bad, are you here?
If you want to buy the gold here, probably look to buy. I go like
DNE.
27.5 to 35.5 range on the gold. These 15s are rolling over.
Going once.
I'm here. Oh, somebody said they're here. They answered. Danny.
Oh, yeah. For some reason, all right, David, from now on, I need you to put the way that you put it into the form, I also need you to put it how it is for your YouTube. It actually specifies that on the form when you fill it out.
What's up, Big M? Big Zoe?
All right. Moving on to the second. Or I'm sorry, the seventh. The seventh winner.
S&Ps and NASDAQ dropping here, getting kaboosh. Lower your stops.
Lower them stops. One
Lower
trade.
them
Where you
stops.
at? One trade. Make sure you lower them stops.
Who's short the
Getting
NASDAQ and
kaboosh.
S&P? Where's the bear?
Where's the bear?
Love that. I love that. Sounds like Hendrix. Right? Sounds like Hendrix. No, I'm kidding. Diana, you're a pip. Got the NASDAQ short. Good job.
Susu Bear. Where you at, Susu Bear?
Kaboosh, not boom. Kabooshed.
That's why we did a bear, not a bull.
Short S&Ps, AL property. Good job.
Susu
Right
Bear.
down.
Congrats.
Look at the scale out of this long on the gold. 36.5 to 38, 38.5. Look at it go right back up. 2. Boom.
View your trade. Where you at? View your trade.
How many
Ethan,
doing now?
congrats, Ethan. $590 today. $590. That's not a bad way to end it.
Good job, Ethan.
View your trade. Where you at?
I'm not mad at you, Chris W. I'm just saying we should be getting more. I'm not mad at you.
Let's see. All right, going once. Going twice. Sold. Is viewing the trade. He needs to be viewing the chat. It's Bugs Bunny. Where you at, Bugs Bunny? Axman, he goes live from what, 9 to 4 p.m.
9
every
to
single
4.
day?
9 to 4, Monday through Friday.
I see you, Bugs Bunny.
Biggie.
Who's going to be the last winner for the wheel?
For the week.
For the week. I'm sorry, for the week. We'll have more giveaways next week. Baller for life. Where you at, Baller for life? Scripted, you'll get it within the next 24 to 48 hours.
Oh, yeah, I sing a lot of songs.
View your trade. I'm sorry, but you missed out. You weren't here when I called your name. Baller for life. You're about to be timed out as well. Baller's not here.
What time are you
Going
leaving?
once.
Are you gonna be home?
Going twice.
Let's see.
Sold. Moving on to the next one.
I'm mentally exhausted.
Lila, where you at, Lila? Or Rima? Rima, I guess that's what your name is.
Hey, board, big board trader.
I see you.
Ethan, congratulations, Ethan.
All right. As I promised, I got 3 more to do. Random, not on the wheel, just people who shared the stream. All right. I'm not picking 5 more, Adam.
I'd be scaling out of longs here on the gold if you bought them.
All right. First one is, I think he won yesterday. He already won today.
I called the gold long here. I said right here.
All right.
I said
Oh, you
27
don't even
and a half to
care.
35 and a half.
Punisher, the X Punisher 80. Where you at?
Sean Walker, if you want a free
All
trial,
for life. Y'all have got to be here whenever I call your name.
you gotta be here. How hard is that?
You
Sean
gotta
Walker,
be here.
if you
Punisher, I see you here. All right. Next. Let's see. How you say this? Joda Soares. Soares. Joda, are you here, Joda? Yeah, Joda?
Jonah or Joda?
No, Jota. Jota.
Joda. Nope.
Joda, I see you, Joda. Person who decided to say people on delayed stream. That's why I give them 2 to 3 minutes to answer.
Hi, Manet Trades. How did you blow one core account?
All right, last one for tonight. Last one for tonight. Mark Patterson. Where you at, Mark Patterson?
Oh my God, Mark Patterson! Congratulations! What a day!
I see Jodas here, Adam. I already gave
Mark
her,
Patterson's
him
here.
or her their account. Mark Patterson, let's go. Congrats.
He's here.
All
are we
right,
giving away?
please.
Tony Garcia wants to know what we're giving away. We gave away 15
core accounts tonight.
15 core accounts.
Now,
Sean Walker, how do you get into my daytime room? Well, you can go to my website, sktrading.live, and then click on the package for the full stream, the chart overlay, and the member Discord. Congratulations to all the winners. Gold just got cabooshed.
yes, congrats to all the winners.
The
I
next
was going to say,
oversold pullback on the 15, you got to go long.
all the winners, please, because it is the weekend, please give it till Monday to receive your account. It is the weekend, and a lot of people do like to enjoy their weekends off.
Gold. I would buy this gold here, and if it gets down to the
Thank you.
15.5, 23.5 range, where does this get down to? 25. I would go probably I'd go wide on the gold here. Let's see. I'm just trying to think. I would go 16.5 to 24.5. 16.5 or 7 or 16 to 24. 3. Or you can go 17.5 to 25.5 range. Negative MACDs here just rallied. Look at this, just rallied 5 already. Happy Halloween, everybody! Tomorrow, Denny, are you dressing up tomorrow?
Steven, I dressed up for 8 years in a row. I'm not dressing up no more.
What were you?
I was in the Army.
No.
Not dressing up.
That's not dressing. I short this gold here, 34.80 up to 40.80.
I put on a uniform every single day of the year.
33.80, 32.80.
So I'm good. No, Meep, I will not wear my uniform again. And it's just a respect. It's like, I'm not in no more, so why would I put on the uniform again? That's just how I look at it.
This gold just rallied 7. I think this gold's going to get one more push down here. I canceled the buy range on the gold. Look to cover the gold anywhere between the 30-32 range if you're short. This negative MACD here.
Drake's, I was stationed at Fort Sill, Oklahoma, Fort Bragg, North Carolina, and Fort Bliss, Texas, and then I deployed to Bahrain twice, UAE, and Saudi Arabia. No, I was not in
tried
Fort
to buy
Hood.
that gold. By the time I do the calculation really quickly, boom. It's getting late. If this gold drops, look to cover 30.80, 32.80 range. Here we go. Denny, have a great night, brother. Thank you so much for what MyFundedFutures is doing for everybody. Thank you. I love doing this. I love meeting new people. Love helping new people. More importantly, it's really about just being consistent, learning the patterns, learning the strategies. And look at the gold drop. Lower your stops. S&P's new highs. Really, really great 2 hours here. I'd like to see, 800,000-900,000 people, but between the two, we had over 600. Tomorrow's Friday, and just really excited. When you see these negative MACDs like this, Diana, you see that?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Look at the gold right up to 34, kabooshed. Lower your stops or cover shorts. It's getting late on the gold. Beautiful. So if your paw on the mouse, S&P's making new highs, NASDAQ making, where is NASDAQ going? Oh my God. 600 great people. Absolutely. Again, I'm offering a 7-day free trial. Okay. My phone number is pinned in the chat. Just full name and email, please. And you'll get a 7-day. If you won, please do not re-enter. Okay. Gold's getting kabooshed. Down 4. Okay. And if you won, you cannot win again for 3 months. This is for people who have never had it, okay, and have the ability to have a 7-day free trial. Also, every single day at 6 o'clock, my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please watch it. Okay. And what time is it? It's 9:58. It's Miller time. Andrew Knapp, I hope you caught that little short there at the end here. S&P's new highs, NASDAQ new highs.
If you want the free week, all you have to do is text Steven. His number is pinned in the chat.
Just text me your full name and email.
Drake, I was there from 2019 till 2023. End of 2023, November.
JCZ. Well, you got to text me again, and I'll confirm it because everybody was sent one. The only 2 people who did not get it, okay, was Steve Guzman because his email was wrong, apparently, and Leroy. What? Leroy Yoder. Yoder. What happened to Steven Guzman?
Let me see.
These 2.
Yeah, he didn't reply to us.
Yeah, Steven Guzman didn't reply, and Leroy Yoder. Huh?
That one got fixed the last
Oh,
one.
Leroy got fixed. Okay. All right. With that being said, it's 10 o'clock. I'm exhausted. All right, everybody. Long day tomorrow. Okay, please, again, if you text me, just email me. How do you email me? I don't have an email. SteveK5@me.com. Or my phone number is 914-500-7484. All right, with that being said, I'm exhausted. Have a great night, everybody. Denny, thank you so much, my brother. Thank you. Have a great week, Denny.
You too, Steven. I'll see you on Monday.
Have a great night, everybody. Have a great weekend. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.